Hi yogis, welcome to this beautiful session. My name is Andreina, and this class is for you to practice in the morning, or you can practice it in the evening if you want. So when you're ready, meet me on the mats. So let's do a quick warm-up before we do a nice flow. So feet are as wide as your hip and place your weight on the left leg. Lift the right foot and let's start twisting the ankle in one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now circles with your hips. 1, 2. If you hear anything pop, that means your joints are waking up. 4 and 5. Then switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Circles with your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then as you inhale, lift the heels and the arms at the same time. At the top, stretch, stretch, stretch. And then exhale and relax your body. So meet me at the top of the mat, feet together, hands by your side. As you inhale, place your hands in front of your heart, close your eyes, and set an intention for this practice. What do you want to accomplish today? In that way, your body can get ready to get it done. Now, bend your knees and lift the right heel. Keep your toes on the mat. And then slowly shift your weight to your left leg. Inhale, lift the right foot. And then with control, step back. Inhale, lift the arms. And this is high lunge. As you exhale, lean forward. If this is too much, you can back off a little bit. And then inhale, come to center. Interlace the fingers, twist your hands, and now lean back this time. Open the chest, look up. Feel the nice stretch in your body. Inhale, come to center. Place your focus on the back leg and then step forward. Hands in front of your heart. Bend the knees, and we're gonna do the same on the other side. Lift the left heel. Keep your toes on the mat. And then slowly shift your weight to your right leg this time. Inhale, lift the left foot. And with control, step back. Lift the arms. And then exhale, lean forward. Inhale, come to center. Interlace the fingers, twist your hands, and now lean back. Open the chest. Now inhale, come to center. Place your focus on the back leg and then step forward. Inhale, lift the arms, and exhale, you can bend your knees and forward fold. You can sway from side to side. Stretch the neck. Release any tension in the shoulders. And as you inhale, place your hands on the thigh, back straight for Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, place your hands on the mat and let's step into downward facing dog. Feet are as wide as your hip and your spine is straight. You can pedal out the feet, and you can move your hip from side to side. Feel the nice stretch on the back of the legs. And when you're ready, you can keep your knees bent or you can have them straight. You can decide. And lift your left leg, bend the knee, and then push the knee to your chest and place your foot between your hands. If when you push the knee to your chest, this is your max, then no problem. Grab your ankle and then walk the foot just so it is between your hands. And now inhale, come up, and now twist to the right for warrior two. So bend the left knee, arms are parallel to the floor. Make sure that the front knee is pushing out and the shoulders are over your hips. Now left forearm goes on the left thigh and then right arm reaches over. And then as you exhale, right hand goes on the back leg and this time the left arm is the one that reaches over. Inhale, extend the left leg. And as you exhale, place your left hand on the leg or you can place it on the mat for Trikonasana. Another option is you can grab your peace fingers and you can grab your toe if you want. Just make sure that you're not close in the chest. It has to be parallel with your arms. Now engage the core, inhale, and then bend the front knee again. Now place your hands on the mat and let's go back into downward dog. Now this time lift the right leg, bend the knee and push the knee to your chest and place your foot between your hands. Inhale, lift the arms and then twist to the left for warrior two. You can adjust your feet so you can get in alignment in this pose. Just check your arms, check your legs, shoulders over the hip. Now, right forearm is on the thigh, and then left arm reaches over. Then inhale, left hand is on the back leg, and right arm reaches over this time. Extend the right leg. Exhale, place your hand on the mat for Trikonasana. This is going to give you a nice stretch in your back. And it also helps to prevent injuries. Now engage your core. Inhale, come up. Bend the right knee and place your hands on the mat. And let's go back into downward dog. Now from here, round the spine. Then go into plank. And then we go back into downward dog. Inhale, round the spine, plank, then downward dog, and continue like this with your breath. It's like making big waves. And then the last time, go into plank. You can bend your knees if you want. And then let's go all the way down. Hands below your shoulders, push up for cobra. Now release, and then push the upper body to get into child's pose. Your knees can be as wide as your mat, or it can be together if you want. Now you can come up. Place your knees together. Lift the arms, inhale. Then twist to your right. Place your left hand on the right knee, and the right arm is behind. Inhale, come to center. Then exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale again, come to center. Hands together, close your eyes. And I wish you a beautiful day filled with positivity and success. Thank you for joining me in this class. If you have any requests, leave it in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and follow for more yoga videos. Namaste.